Simplify the expression. 5 times the quantity 2x minus 1 minus the quantity x minus 12 plus 2 times the quantity 3x minus 5. Here, we'll first use the distributive property for each expression, and we'll notice that this middle expression that has a negative in front of it can be written as -1 times the expression. Using the distributive property, we have 5 times 2x minus 5 times 1 plus -1 times x minus -1 times 12 plus 2 times 3x minus 2 times 5. Now let's simplify each term. 5 times 2x is 10x, minus 5 times 1 is minus 5, plus -1 times x is minus x, minus -1 times 12 is plus 12, plus 2 times 3x is plus 6x, and minus 2 times 5 is minus 10. Now we can combine like terms. Let's group the x terms together and the constant terms together using the commutative and associative properties. We have 10x minus x plus 6x plus -5 plus 12 minus 10. Combining like terms, 10x minus x plus 6x is 15x, and -5 plus 12 minus 10 is minus 3. So this expression simplifies to 15x minus 3.